Go.
Oh, hi. Hey. Got one of them.
My favorite song.
Start level 1, 1.
Worst song ever. Hate this song. I don't know what this is.
Level 1, 2.
Oh.
This is not a good song for you.
No, this is the worst song in the history of the world. I don't know what it is.
What are your thoughts on this song?
I don't like it. I've never done it before. So I don't know.
Torture for 6th and 7th and 8th graders.
4. Level 1, 5.
So,
Level
Coach,
1, 6.
why do we do the beep test, Coach?
Shows you what they've been doing in the off season to prepare.
Level 1, 7.
So we kind of compare these to last year's scores at the beginning of the season. So looks like they're a little bit down from last year, but not bad overall.
Is that really a big? Is that a surprise coming into a new season to see this?
Not necessarily. It's also been hot this summer, so we haven't been able to do as much as we wanted to in the summertime. That probably would have got them in a little bit better condition. We kind of held back because of the heat, but I think we'll be fine.
Level 2. Level 10, 11.
You sore from yesterday?
Mm-hmm.
A little bit.
And I have club tonight too.
What did you think about the beep test?
Oh, I hated it. It sucked.
Do you understand why we do it?
No?
No?
What was your score?
I can't remember.
All right, I guarantee it'll be improved, much improved before the end of the season.
Oh, yeah.
Guarantee it.
Hopefully.
Ah, the bees!